What we're going to do now is create the actual socket for the projectile to emit from or project from. So now we're going to go over to the skeleton of the character that we're using. And we're going to do this on the left hand that the bow is holding because I think that's going to work out best for us right now. It might not, and we might have to change it, but it'll at least give you how to do and create the socket. So we're going to find left hand, wherever it may be. There it is. And then right click, add socket, double click it, and we're going to call this arrow socket. Okay. And now what we're going to do is save this and move the socket to about where we want the arrow to project from. And we're going to keep this try like a natural bow and arrow. So we're going to move it down a little bit, back a little bit, and off of the actual mesh. Now we're going to right click on arrow socket, and you can add preview assets to rotate like how we did and attach the weapon earlier. We're going to do the same with the bow or with the arrow. All right. And now we're going to rotate this. Make sure you always click on the socket, not the preview asset, because it's not going to let you click on it. And that's what will allow you to rotate, scale it, and move it around. And now that we have that, that looks pretty nice. Move it down or up just a smidgen. And there we have it. You now have the socket for it to project from.